What's going on, my friend? Garrett Berry here. Now, in this video, I want to share with you how you can make some legitimate money online, okay? How you can actually start working from home, having money coming in while you're out having fun, while you're hanging out with your friends and family. And not only that, though, I'm going to share with you in a second, I'm going to hop on my laptop and actually share with you some proof of the money that I've been able to make as you stay around to the very end of this video. But the first thing I want to answer is, who is this for? I've been getting tons of questions. If you've seen a lot of my other videos, people have been asking me, can a newbie, can someone brand new, can someone just getting started actually plug in and get some good results? Where the thing is, if you're willing to learn, if you can follow simple step-by-step instructions, there's no reason why you can't also create some incredible results for you and your family. A lot of people think I was always great at making money online, but just 3 years ago or so, I was actually a waiter. I was working long hours. I was working, another job on the side as well. And, 9 to 5, I was grinding from sun up to sundown, and just really hating my job and not being able to do the things I love to do with the people I love doing it with. But, I saw a mentor, I came across an opportunity, and I was willing to change my life. I was a little bit hesitant, but I thought, if nothing changes, nothing changes. So I decided to throw my hat over the wall. I made a decision to get started. And in less than 30 days, I was able to quit my freaking job, go full-time from home, and just be able to create a lifestyle that, I can really support my family. I just got back from a traveling trip. I just got back from, more, sightseeing, and it's really incredible. So, what are we doing here though? That's another big question. Like, what exactly are we doing to make money? Well, what we're doing, all we're doing is we're just copy and pasting ads on social media. So, sites like Facebook, sites like Twitter, sites like Craigslist, when we paste those ads on there and someone responds to those ads and buys the product that we're promoting, you actually get paid 100% commission instantly into your account. So if you have a PayPal account or you can create a PayPal account, it's not unlikely to start waking up to these deposits. I'm not sure if you can picture clearly a PayPal account overflowing with deposits in there in about 30 minutes to an hour a day of posting these ads, but it's very possible. And as you continue to watch this video, you're going to see how other people have also been able to do the same thing. So right now, what I'm going to do, my friend, is I'm actually going to hop on my laptop and share with you some proof of what I've been able to make today at the time of recording this video, and how you can also plug in and do this yourself if you're interested. So again, follow me along and let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, my friend, now I'm actually in the account that I collect payments in. And as you can see at the top, Garrett Berry, this is my account. You can see that this date, okay, one day, the 23rd, if I hit submit, you'll see it loading at the top. Okay, so it is loading. And you can see down here that if I go down here, you'll see that I made a total of $1,050. Okay, $1,050 in a single day on total autopilot. Now, the cool thing about this was I actually made this while I was out hanging out with my friends and family, just laughing and enjoying the day. I actually came home, refreshed my screen, and I saw these commissions had deposited. So let me ask you a question, my friend. What would your life be like if you could literally work about an hour or so a day and have even $100 a day coming in for you? What would your life be like? What would you do with all that extra free time? What would you do with all that money coming in? Would you travel more? Would you go on, buy nicer dinners? Would you treat your family to nice things? Would you pay off your debt? Like, what would your life be like if you could do this? Well, what I want to invite you to do is actually head to the link below if you're serious about learning how to do this, because once you click the link below, you're going to get taken to a page that looks like this. Now, this is actually my website, and it's an application. Okay, and what I want you to do is I want you to actually answer these questions below honestly. It's going to ask you 3 or 4 questions, and it's going to see if you actually qualify for this business opportunity. And if you do qualify, you're going to get access to this information where you can actually see more proof, not just of my own results, but other people, teammates that are also getting incredible results within an hour or so a day of just following our copy paste blueprint. It's absolutely incredible to think that, just a short time ago, I had never done anything like this before, but I made a decision and my entire life changed, my entire family's life changed. So again, if you're watching this, my friend, go to the link below. Check this out. Again, I want to work with people that are coachable, that are willing to learn, and they're willing to put a little bit of effort into this, because it does take a little bit of effort, but if you're willing to do that, my friend, then I want to work with you. Okay, so go to the link below, check this out, answer these questions, and you're really, really going to love it. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. Click the link below, and I will see you over on the next page.